Friends, myself Dattatreya Jadhav. I am from HM College Karad. Today we are going to discuss an important type of indefinite integration, that is integration of 1 upon a plus b sin x dx, or its integration of 1 upon a plus b cos x dx, or integration of 1 upon a sin x plus b cos x plus c dx. Okay, here a, b, c are constants. Okay, look at here. How to remember this type? Remember, here numerator is 1 and denominator contains the term of sin, the term of cos, or the terms of sin and cos both. Okay, so steps to solve such type of integration. First step is put tan x by 2 is equal to t. Okay, this type is also known as tan x by 2 method. Okay, put tan x by 2 is equal to t. Therefore, we get x by 2 is equal to tan inverse t. Therefore, x is equal to 2 tan inverse t. After substituting, we differentiate. On differentiating, derivative of x is 1. Derivative of x is 1. Since it is differentiated with respect to x, so multiply it by dx. So dx is equal to 2 constant as it is into derivative of tan inverse t is 1 upon 1 plus t square. Since it is differentiated with respect to t, multiply it by dt. So here is the value of dx, 2 dt divided by 1 plus t square. Remember this value only. Okay, dx is equal to 2 dt divided by 1 plus t square. Okay, now we find the values of sin x and cos x. Okay, we have the formula for sin theta. We have sin theta is equal to, in terms of tan, 2 tan theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta. So I can write this as sin x, but there is only term of sin x in denominator. Okay, on cos x or sin x. So I can find the value of only sin x. Sin x is equal to 2 into tan of x by 2. Here 2 theta, here is theta. On LHS is x, there is x by 2 divided by 1 plus tan square of x by 2. But we have substituted t for tan x by 2. So which is equal to 2t divided by 1 plus t square. It's the value of sin x in terms of t. Now we know that cos 2 theta is equal to 1 minus tan square theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta. Therefore, okay, finding the value of cos theta, cos x. So cos x is equal to 1 minus tan square half of the angle x by 2 divided by 1 plus tan square half of the angle, that is x by 2. Okay, now putting the value of t is tan x by 2. Instead of tan x by 2, we write t. So it's 1 minus t square divided by 1 plus t square, which is value of cos x. Okay, in example, we only write put tan x by 2 is equal to t. On differentiating, dx is equal to 2 dt divided by 1 plus t square. Sin x is equal to 2t divided by 1 plus t square. Cos x is equal to 1 minus t square divided by 1 plus t square. It's our step number first. Okay, so what is the second step? After substitution, given integration becomes 1 upon at square plus bt plus c dt. That is 1 upon quadratic equation, type of 1 upon quadratic equation, and solve this time. Okay, how do we solve this time? Make coefficient of t square is 1. Okay, second, add and subtract the term minus coefficient of t divided by 2 bracket square. Okay, for next step is write in perfect square. First three terms are perfect square, last two terms are perfect square, and use special integral properties. Okay, so we solve this type. We have learned in previous video. Okay, so here is the steps of evaluate integration of 1 upon a plus b sin x dx, or 1 upon a plus b cos x dx, or 1 upon a sin x plus b cos x plus c dx. Okay, how to remember the type? Look at here, in numerator there is only 1. Okay, and in denominator there are terms of sin, cos, or only sin. Then we use this type. Okay, let's see one example here. Starting with first example, evaluate the integration. Starting with first example, evaluate integration 1 upon 3 plus 2 sin x dx. Okay. First, it is example on integration. So I can denote this integration by I. In solution, let I is equal to, okay, integration of 1 upon 3 plus 2 sin x dx. Okay, look at here, numerator is 1, denominator contains sin x, so our type is clearly 1 upon a plus b sin x dx. Integration of 1 upon a plus b sin x dx. In this type, we put tan x by b is equal to t. Okay, we find the value of x by b is equal to tan inverse t. Okay, we know the values of dx. Therefore, dx is equal to 2 dt divided by 1 plus t square. Write only values. Dx is equal to 2 dt divided by 1 plus t square. Okay, or you remember it. And value of sin x is, yes, value of sin x is 2t divided by 1 plus t square. In denominator there is common 1 plus t square. Okay, so above substitution reduces the given integral as I is equal to integration of 1 into dx is what? It's dx, so I can write here. Okay, 1 into dx is what? Dx, so I can write it in numerator. Integration of, what is the value of dx? It's 2 dt divided by 1 plus t square divided by, okay, 3 constant as it is, 2 constant as it is. Value of sin x is what? 2t divided by 1 plus t square. Okay, now look at here, because of substitution our example is in variable t. Now on simplification, this can be written as 2 dt divided by 1 plus t square. Look at the denominator of numerator is 1 plus t square, so making denominator of denominator is also 1 plus t square. Multiply 3 by 1 plus t square plus 2 into 2t. Okay, so integration becomes integration I is equal to integration of 2 dt divided by 1 plus t square whole divided by 3 into 1 plus t square plus 2 into 2t. Denominator of numerator and denominator get cancelled, and we get integration of 2 dt divided by 3 into 1 is 3, 3 into t square is 3t square plus 2 into 2t is 4t. Okay, now 2 is constant, so take outside the sign of integration. 2 into integration of 1 upon, writing 3t square first, 3t square plus 4t plus 3 dt. Okay, 3t square plus 4t plus 3 dt. Okay, now, so above substitution reduces the given integral in 1 upon quadratic equation form. Make coefficient of that t square is 1. So taking what common? 3 common from denominator, that is 1 upon 3 common from integral side. We get I is equal to 2 divided by 3 into integration 1 upon t square plus, when we take common 3 from 4, we divide by 3. 4t divided by 3 plus, taking 3 common, 1 from 3, it's 1 dt. Okay, so now next step is what? Divide, add third term. Formula for third term is minus coefficient of x, means minus 4 by 3, that is coefficient of t divided by 2. Okay, bracket square. Here denominator of 2 is 1. 2 2s are 4 minus 2 by 3. Square of minus 2 by 3 is 4 by 3. That is we add 4 by square of 2 is 4 and square of 3 is 9. 4 by 9 in at third step. What? Here we put 4 by 9 we add 4 by 9 at third place and subtract at fifth place. So it integration 2 by 3 into integration of 1 upon t square plus 4 by 3t plus what is the third term? 4 by 9 plus 1 minus 4 by 9 dt. Okay, writing first ray and last two terms. Okay, grouping first ray and last two terms, which is equal to integration 1 upon first term is square of t, third term is square of 2 upon 3, and middle sign of the middle term is plus, so it is a perfect square of t plus 2 by 3 bracket square. After simplification of these last two terms, 9 minus 4, it's 5 plus 5 divided by 9 dt. Okay, we get here in denominator 2 by 3 as it is integration of 1 upon. We get here in denominator 1 is square of variable term. Writing 5 by 9 in square form, constant square, it's root 5 divided by 3 bracket square dt. Okay, here is the term of x, it looks like x variable, so x square, it looks nice constant, so a square, and we know that the formula for integration of 1 upon x square plus a square dx. Integration of 1 upon x square plus a square dx is 1 upon a tan inverse of x upon a. Okay, so integration becomes I is equal to 2 by 3 into 1 upon a, value of a is root 5 by 3. Okay, into integration of formula is tan inverse of x upon a. Tan inverse of what is the value of x? It's t plus 2 by 3 divided by what is the value of a? Root 5 by 3 x divided by a plus constant of integration c. Don't divide by coefficient of t, that is 1. So forget it. 3 get cancelled, which is equal to 2 divided by root 5 into tan inverse of, on simplification, it's 3t plus 2 divided by 3 divided by root 5 divided by 3. Cancelling denominator 3. Okay, so which is equal to 2 divided by root 5 into tan inverse of 3t plus 2 divided by root 5. Okay, but answer is in variable t because of our substitution. What is t? Tan x by 2. So replace t by tan x by 2. So integration is equal to I is equal to 2 divided by root 5 into tan inverse of 3 into tan x by 2 plus 2 divided by root 5 plus constant of integration c. Here is the final answer of the given question. Here is first question. Now second question is evaluate the integration. Second question is evaluate integration 1 upon 2 plus cos x minus sin x. 1 upon 2 plus cos x minus sin x dx. Okay, here is the second question. Look at in the example, numerator is 1 and denominator contains the trigonometric terms, which are they? Sin and cos. So which type is of integration? Trigonometric integration. It looks like 1 upon a plus b sin x plus c cos x, or integration of 1 upon a sin x plus b cos x plus c dx. Okay, where a b c are constants. In this method, first step is put tan x by 2 is equal to t. Okay, on differentiating we get dx is equal to, remember, 2 dt divided by 1 plus t square directly. Okay, dx is equal to 2 dt divided by 1 plus t square. Now we find value of sin x. Now sin x is equal to, value of sin x is what? 2t divided by 1 plus t square, and value of cos x is equal to 1 minus t square divided by 1 plus t square. Okay, so here are the values of dx, sin x and cos x. Okay, we know that 1 into dx is what? Dx. So I can write this as integration of dx divided by 2 plus cos x minus sin x. So integration becomes I is equal to integration, instead of dx I can write here 2 dt divided by 1 plus t square divided by 2 as it is plus cos x. Value of cos x is 1 minus t square divided by 1 plus t square. So I can write 1 minus t square divided by 1 plus t square minus value of sin x is what? 2t divided by 1 plus t square. Okay, now look at denominator of numerator is 1 plus t square, and denominator of denominator is in these two terms 1 plus t square. So taking the LCM of denominator, so we get I is equal to integration of, it's 2 dt divided by 1 plus t square as it is, 2 dt divided by 1 plus t square as it is, divided by, okay, we make the denominator of denominator is 1 plus t square, so multiply that 2 by 1 plus t square. So 2 into 1 plus t square plus value of cos x is 1 minus t square and minus 2t. Okay, which is equal to 1 plus t square, 1 plus t square both are get cancelled. Integration of 2 dt divided by 2 into 1 is 2, 2 into t square is 2t square plus 1 minus t square minus 2t. 2 is constant, take outside the integration, 1 upon writing 2t square minus t square, it's t square. 2t square minus t square is t square minus, well, variable term 2t and 3 plus 1, 2 plus 1 is 3, and writing dt here. Okay, so we get integration as 2 into integration of 1 upon t square minus 2t plus 3 dx, this is 3 dt. Okay, so here is equation 1 upon integration of 1 upon quadratic equation. So what we do here? Make coefficient of t square is 1. It is already 1. Okay, so add and subtract the term minus coefficient of t. Minus coefficient of t means minus 2 divided by 2 bracket square. Okay, 2 divided by 2, 1 square is 1. So adding 1. Okay, and subtracting 1. Adding 1 at which place? Third place. So integration I is equal to 2 into integration of 1 upon t square minus 2t plus 1. Okay, t square minus 2t plus 1 plus 3, and subtracting at fifth place minus 1 dt. Okay, here is taking group of 3 and 2. Here first three terms are perfect square of t minus 1 bracket square. Since first term is square of t, third term is square of 1, and middle sign is minus, so it's square of t minus 1 bracket square. Okay, and 3 minus 1 is plus 2. Here one term is of variable square, right? And second term is a constant square. So 2 into integration of 1 upon t minus 1 bracket square plus root 2 bracket square dt. Okay, now simplifying or using the formula integration of 1 upon x square plus x square, which is equal to 2 as it is into integration of 1 upon x square plus x square, 1 upon a tan inverse of x upon a, 1 upon a is what? Root 2 into tan inverse of x upon a, x is what? T minus 1 divided by root 2 plus constant of integration c. Okay, now 2 can be written as root 2 into root 2. 1 root 2 get cancelled, so root 2 into tan inverse of, put the value of t is, okay, replace t by tan x by 2 directly. Tan x by 2 minus 1 divided by root 2 plus constant of integration c. Okay, so here is the final answer of the given question. Root 2 into tan inverse of tan x by 2 minus 1 divided by root 2 plus c. Okay, so here is answer. Now take one more example. We solve one more example by another method. Okay, evaluate integration. Next example is evaluate integration 1 upon cos x minus sin x. Okay, 1 upon cos x minus sin x dx. Evaluate integration 1 upon cos x minus sin x dx. Okay, you solve this example by substitution method. Put tan x by 2 is equal to t on differentiating. Okay, but I have explained here another method to solve the example. Try by tan x by 2 method at home. Okay, I solve this example by alternative method. Okay, so look at here. If there are only terms of sin and cos, this method can be used when there are only terms of sin and cos. Okay, so look at here. First write the given integration by I. So writing I is equal to, let I is equal to integration of 1 upon cos x minus sin x dx. Clearly it is a type of integration 1 upon a sin x plus b cos x plus c dx. Okay, we solve by tan x by 2 method, but here I can explain another method. So look at here. This can be written as 1 upon integration of 1 upon cos x minus sin x divided by into root 2 dx. Yes, dividing or multiplying denominator, okay, by root 2 and dividing denominator by root 2. Okay, this adjustment is very important. So integration becomes, here root 2 is constant. Root 2 is constant, so take outside the integration 1 upon root 2 into integration of 1 upon. Okay, on separating denominator it looks like cos x in divided by root 2. Okay, cos x divided by root 2 minus sin x divided by root 2 dx. Okay, this can be also divided written as 1 upon root 2 into integration of 1 upon cos x into 1 upon root 2. Write variable term first. Okay, cos x into 1 upon root 2 minus sin x into 1 upon root 2 dx. Okay, now check the terms are of which form. We know that addition and subtraction formula is cos of a plus b is equal to cos of a plus b is equal to cos a cos b plus minus sin b. But there are two terms of cos and there are two terms of sin. So we know that yes, 1 upon root 2 can be written in the form of cos and sin. Yes, we write this as 1 upon root 2 into integration of 1 upon, I can write this as cos x into 1 upon root 2, it's cos 5 by 2, cos 45 is 1 upon 5. So I can put the value of 1 upon root 2 is cos 5 by 4 minus sin x into sin pi by 4. Okay, why do we write this as? Because here value of 1 upon root 2 is cos pi by 4, value of 1 upon root 2 is sin pi by 4. Remember, angle of both the values of trigonometric ratios are same. Okay, then and then we will substitute. Okay, now it looks like cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. the formula for it is the formula for cos A cos B minus sin A sin B cos of A plus B. 1 upon root 2 constant and it is integration. Numerator is 1. Okay, it's formula for cos of A plus B. So writing cos of what is A? It's x cos of x plus B. B is what? Pi by 4. Cos of x plus pi by 4 dx. Okay, 1 upon root 2 as it is into integration of. Okay, 1 upon cos is nothing but sec of x plus pi by 4 dx. Okay, now we know that integration of sec x. Okay, here integration of sec of x plus pi by 4, and considering x plus pi by 4 as x, integration of sec x log of mod of sec x plus tan x. So here is the answer 1 upon root 2 into log of mod of sec x. What is x? X plus pi by 4 in sec x plus tan x. That is tan value of x is x plus pi by 4 plus constant of integration c. Here we divide by coefficient of x, that is 1, but don't write, don't divide it because it is already 1. Okay, so here is the answer of the third question. Integration of 1 upon cos x minus sin x dx is equal to 1 upon root 2 into log of mod sec of x plus pi by 4 plus tan of x plus pi by 4 plus constant of integration c. Okay, if there is a root 3, okay, in if there is a root 3 coefficient of cos x or sin x, then divide by 2, adjustment is 2. Okay, if there is only one, then adjustment is root. I hope you understand all these examples of this type, integration of 1 upon a sin x plus b cos x plus c dx. Okay, or integration of 1 upon a plus b sin x, or integration of 1 upon a plus b cos x dx. Understand? Okay, thank you.